This video shows the saving and loading from disk of control state when it comes to the scripts we created for each instance or server. Although you see me navigating to take scripts from scripts control and paste them in the new query window of the new control, the goal would be to have those scripts reachable from this control itself rather than taking it from other places. I decided for the time being to save the state, as you will see later in the video, to disk as opposed to a SQL Server database. We will add some new scripts and rename some of the headers we have for those scripts. When application closes, we save back to disk 4 properties of each script. I noticed that the label of the script is not updated automatically when we rename the script and fixed it after this video. The information that we save to disk will be a data set containing a data table whose rows will be used to recreate the objects we use for this control. I remember saying in the previous post that I might use the code from Save Project to save information, but I realized that for the time being doesn't make sense to save that information. The information is there. I will show it in another post, but the focus as we speak for this control is to add some of the built-in scripts or scripts generated in other controls as option to choose every time we select the instance. This might be done by creating default nodes every time an instance is selected, and whenever a node is selected, associated scripts will be displayed. I am thinking if I should use the code I have for retrieving the database names for the SQL Server Provider control and use it here to expand database's node with the database names every time user click that node. All these modifications will take some time, but I will try to implement them.